Hey guys, it's Gary here, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool skin that a friend of mine made for me, and his name is Assassin Does Minecraft, and he's one of my fellow forum moderators for Mintage, and you can check it out on mintage.com. So it hasn't come out yet, but it's like just getting improved, and it's really close to release. So be sure to check that out. So let's go over the skin he made for me. Since I am a Blockin, I am half Blocka and half zombie pigment. So I told him to help me make a skin that's half zombie pigment and half Blocka. And look, this is what he made for me. I think that's like so awesome. Yeah. So I think he's a really good skin maker. So if you want him to make you a skin, you should go check out his channel. Links in the description below. And yeah, so he made me this awesome skin. Thank you. And so if you ever want him to make you one or something like that, yeah, you can just message him. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys later. Bye.